Welcome to the ultimate event token-gated experience with Belong. Are you ready to dive into the thrilling world of exclusive events, powered by the magic of blockchain? First things first, to embark on this exciting journey, you'll need to log in. Use the most convenient option for you, for example, MetaMask. Step inside, and you're ready to craft your perfect event. Press the plus button to unlock the creation menu. Hit Create NFT Tickets to begin. Create a hub or attach to an existing one. Let your creativity flow as you fill in your event's vital details. Name of the event, which gives attendees a clear idea of what the event is about, a unique handle or identifier for your event, making it easy for people to find and share. The description is crucial. It provides detailed information about the event. Is it a digital extravaganza or a real-life soiree? Specify the place, whether it's a virtual wonderland or a physical spot. Choose your event's date and time, ensuring it fits perfectly into your plans. Don't forget to add an event cover that sets the mood just right. Select your media format, image, video, or audio, and let your creativity run wild as you upload your chosen NFT media. Press Next Step to enhance your event with settings. Fine-tune your NFT collection, adjust the collection size, decide whether your event tickets are transferable or soul-bound, and set the perfect mint price. Want royalties? Dive into advanced settings, set your terms, and proceed to the next step. Click Create Treasury. Sign the request on your crypto wallet and witness the birth of your event's financial heart. This exclusive crypto address serves as your gateway to interact with royalties for this esteemed event, ensuring that your artistic endeavors are not only celebrated but also financially rewarded. Your masterpiece is almost complete. Hit Create Smart Contract. Sign off on the smart contract, and voila, you've just crafted token-gated event. Through this act, you're not just creating a contract, you're forging a connection to a decentralized future where your actions echo in the digital realm. Get ready to make your mark. Congratulations! You've done it. Your event is now alive and kicking, waiting for eager souls to mint their tickets and join the revelry. Embark on your journey, step into the realm of digital artistry by minting your inaugural NFT ticket. Be the trailblazer, the trendsetter, and forever mark your place as the first creator in this immersive world of possibilities. Each ticket becomes a masterpiece, a one-of-a-kind creation on the blockchain, carrying the essence of your event in the digital realm. It's more than a ticket, it's a gateway to an exclusive world, an emblem of participation, and a treasure trove of memories waiting to be unlocked. Share your event link, spread the word, and let the party begin in the most exclusive, unforgettable way possible.